What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to add a website design cost calculator just like this one into your WordPress website for free, so you can give a quote of how much a website would cost if they made with you, if you are a designer, if you provide services of website creations. So you can calculate and you can see the list right here, and of course you can integrate with your email, you can collect leads. Okay, how to do this for free? First thing, go to the WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, and hover your mouse over plugins and click on Add New Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, into the Search Plugins field, you're gonna click and type Stylish Cost Calculator, and this is the guide that we're looking for by Designful. Click on Install now. Click into the Activate button. That's gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, but the plugin has a setup wizard. Okay, so let me show you something. As soon as you activate the plugin, even if it's the free version, nothing to worries, you're gonna be redirected to this welcome page. Let's build your new calculator. You can do an AI-powered setup. You can start with a template or start from scratch. I'm gonna choose to start from a template, and I'm gonna use the free templates. And right here, I already can see the website designer template. I'm gonna use this template. And right here, I'm gonna be able to fully customize every single part of my site. For example, I can enter a title, description. The service title can be Site Design. You can enter a description. You can enter a subsection. If you click on add element, you're gonna have a couple of nice elements to play with. Slider, quantity, drop down, simple button, and check boxes. Okay. Select your essentials. Choose your platform. Right here we have an option of drop down menu, and we have WordPress, Shopify, HTML, Wix. You can choose the platform that you wish. A slider with the options and the cost of these options. The design and style. You can fully customize every single option of your form. The template is for this, to start with a ready one, and you have no need to plan and to do from scratch, but you always can do it from scratch. The process is quite simple, but if you start with a template, you're gonna save time and you're gonna have extra good options. Here is the preview of the form, okay? And after doing all the changes you want, screw it up, hit the Save Change button, then hit the Embed button, and you can copy one of this text right here. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. You can go to New and add a new page, or go to a previously made page in the case that you want. Enter a title to your page. It's always good to have a title on your page. And then click into this plus button, call it Add Block, and search for cal. And right here, you're gonna be able to find a stylish cost calculator. Select your template, your form. In my case, I'm gonna be able to select the website design template. You can publish the page. And here is the result you're gonna get. You can choose the essentials, the number of pages, the design and style, the features, the support for devices, the database integration, the payment features that you're gonna need, your estimated budget, and you can calculate the cost. Okay? Simple, easy, and you're gonna have a quote maker on your site. How to integrate this with a payment option so a person can purchase from here. As soon as you activate the plugin on your site, you're gonna be able to see on your WordPress dashboard a new menu next to settings called Stylish Cost Calculator. Just like this, okay? And right here, you're gonna be able to see help tutorials, member press tutorials, coupon codes, and the global settings. And right here, you can change the currency settings, email, SMS, header, and other features, okay? For example, the PDF settings, Stripe settings, reCAPTCHA settings, integration settings, maps, in the case you don't have a Google Maps API, and you can restore or import. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzu WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!